Alpine.
Now these are footage that didn't make it on the cut on the final video because the video would just be way too long. But what I cut out was Dario trying my downhill bike for the first time. And admittedly, it was kind of not a good clip because he just freaked out. He had, like, his mind could not compute, or his brain couldn't process like what's going on when he's riding a downhill bike. He always started and only rides hardtails. So to hop on something that's that different, that's that heavy, that requires a lot of preloading to get the bike to move. He couldn't figure it out. So this video of me crashing at Alpine and is there, but I cut out me riding the rest of the trail after I got back on the trail. This will demonstrate how smooth the downhill bike just literally eats up the braking bumps. Like, you don't even see my hand or the bike move. It just doesn't lose any speed at all. So this is why you ride a downhill bike. You just absorb all the braking bumps and just save your butt from a hard case or just a lot of surprise puck to flats. So yeah. Alright, Cruiser Bike's here. He didn't bring any GoPro, he rushed out. He's riding the Banshee today. Oh, didn't clear that one. Whew. That was fun.
I thought it was fast.
Yeah. All right, hit the minion. Lower. Oh, okay. Not too bad.